How are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you another dessert recipe, lemon pound cake, easy to make yet very tasty. Top it with a scoop of ice cream, you will be in heaven, I promise. So let's go ahead and try this recipe and see how it turned out. Let me know how it turned out for you. And don't forget to check out other dessert recipes available on my channel. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's go and see how to make this yummy lemon pound cake. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make the lemon pound cake. This is a very simple cake to make. So let's look at the ingredients. I'm using a hand mixer, so I kept a big bowl to use my hand mixer. Maida or all-purpose flour, sour cream, one lemon. If you want a little bit more tanginess in your cake, use 2 lemons, but one is enough for our taste. We need butter and 3 eggs right here, baking powder and pure vanilla extract. And we are taking a small round cake pan. This much is enough for whatever quantity I am making now. This will be enough to make one cake. If you want to double the recipe, you have to have 2 tins like this to make the cake. So let's get started by mixing the dry ingredients in a bowl, and then we'll get started. So let's get started with the dry ingredients. We are using 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. This is a half cup measurement. I'm using the cake pan to mix the dry ingredients, as I don't want to wash in another bowl, because anyway we are going to wash it. So let's use it. We don't need until the end of the batter to put in this, so we are using this. Anyway, long explanation, but you get the point. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and we are going to add half teaspoon of baking powder. Just mix everything. That's it. Your dry ingredients are ready. And if you are using unsalted batter, add a pinch of butter so that you'll get nice taste. I'm using salted butter, as you can see, so I don't need to add any salt. So let's use the mixer and mix our wet ingredients. So I added 3/4 cup of butter to my mixing bowl, and I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. Now let's mix this until it's nice and creamy, about 1 to 2 minutes. Look how nice creamy it became. Now we'll add eggs one at a time and mix. I added an egg, so let's mix until it's thoroughly mixed and you don't see any yellow color in the batter. And now let me add remaining 2 eggs. We are adding 3 eggs total to this, so remember that. And now let me add 2 more. Eggs are nicely mixed in. We are going to add 1/4 cup of sour cream. This will give nice taste to it, so don't forget to add this. Let's mix it in. Nice and fluffy. Now goes in our lemon. First goes in our lemon zest. You need whole of this lemon zest. Don't scratch too much, because it will be bitter. Only we need the top layer, so scratch lightly so that you'll get it. See, this is it. Do not scratch more than this. You will get enough. See, whole scratch, wash nicely and scratch. You don't want any bacteria or chemicals in your food, so make sure you wash it. See how much of lemon zest came? That's more than enough. Let me take off all of this lemon zest and then I'll be back. Now that the lemon zest is in, we are going to squeeze the lemon juice nicely. Juice of 1 lemon completely. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's 1 teaspoon. Let's mix it nicely. Nice and fluffy. Now it's ready for our dry ingredients. So let's slowly add our dry ingredients. And mix it through. Don't overmix. Just mix until everything is mixed together. Perfectly combined. Look how delicious that looks, and everything is nicely mixed in. Let's transfer this into our bowl. Always grease your cake pan before putting the batter in, so let's grease it nicely so that the cake will not stick to the bottom and it will come out beautifully. Now let's add the batter in. Cake is very dense too, so make sure you're keeping at low temperature and baking it for more time. So we are going to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes. You need to watch out after 45 minutes. So let's preheat the oven and put this cake in the oven. Just tap your bowl a little bit so that the air bubbles are released and you'll have a nice cake. Oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now let's put in our cake and bake it for 45 minutes and then keep checking it to see if it's done. I'll show you after 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes and the timer went off. Look at that beautiful cake. Just poke it and see if it's done. If it comes out clean, it's done and its cake is done to eat. Let it cool down nicely and we'll serve it for dessert. Look how beautiful my lemon cake turned out. First let me take a picture and then we'll cut into it. Look how beautiful the picture cake. Now let's cut into it. It's really dense cake. I just want to show you a piece. Look at that beautiful piece. Do try it and let me know how it worked for you. I will see you guys in my next video. Serve it with a scoop of cold ice cream. It will taste absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video.